Good morning. We will start comparison of 4-stroke and 2-stroke engine. First, we will start with the first point, that is size. 2-stroke engine was developed to obtain higher output from the same size of engine. So, higher output from the same size of engine. Second point, mechanically simpler. The engine has no valves and ball actuating mechanism, making it mechanically simpler. Almost all two-stroke engines have no conventional valves but only ports. This makes two-stroke engine cheaper to produce and easy to maintain. Theoretically, a two-stroke engine develops twice the power of a four-stroke engine. Next is uniform torque. The advantage of two-stroke engine are more uniform torque on crankshaft and less exhaust gas dilution. Fuel consumption. The fuel consumption in case of two-stroke engine is higher as compared to four-stroke engine because some amount of fresh air fuel mixture will escape through exhaust port during squeezing. Lower thermal efficiency. As fuel consumption is higher, the thermal efficiency will decrease. The other drawback of two-stroke engine is lack of flexibility, the capacity to operate with the same efficiency at all speeds. At part throttle operating condition, the amount of fresh mixture entering the cylinder is not enough to clear all the exhaust gases, and a part of it remains in the cylinder to contaminate the char. This results in irregular operation of engine. Higher lubricating oil consumption. The disadvantage of two-stroke engine is having higher lubricating oil consumption, and also the higher wear and tear in case of two-stroke engine, and also the cooling requirement is higher in case of two-stroke engine. Cooling requirement is higher in case of two-stroke engine because out of two-stroke, one stroke is power stroke. On the other hand, in four-stroke engine, out of four-stroke, only one stroke is power stroke. So, cooling requirement is higher in case of two-stroke engines. Flywheel. As we had seen, uniform torque. In case of two-stroke engine, torque is uniform. So, if torque is uniform, the fluctuations are less. So, we have to use small flywheel in case of two-stroke engine. On the other hand, in case of four-stroke engine, the flywheel used is heavier in four-stroke engine because out of four-stroke, only one stroke is power stroke. Rest three strokes are power-consuming strokes. So the power is not uniform. So flywheel in case of four-stroke engine is heavier as compared to two-stroke engine. So this is the comparison of four-stroke and two-stroke engine. In the next lecture, we will start with a new topic.